We buy Zippo lighters. You can text us pictures of your Zippo lighters to 570-713-8401, or you can email pictures of any Zippo lighters to bestbidslive@gmail.com. Enclosed here are two Zippo lighters. The one on the right is a Zippo Slim, and the one on the left is a Zippo collectible. It's in the original box. It has the original paperwork, and this one here, as you can see, is one of them that we do collect. You can give us a call. You can send them, if you'd want to just mail them to us, you can mail them to Best Bids Live, 1705 Whitmoyer Road, Whitmoyer Road. The town is Watsontown, PA, Watsontown, Pennsylvania, 1777, 1 and 4 sevens. We'll take a look at them, and we will mail you back. If you can't send videos, just mail them to us. We will evaluate them and make an offer and send you a payment. Okay, thank you.